Oh, wow. We got a year, 1997. Oh my God. There's beer still inside. Oh, look at that. Coke bottle. Jesus, man, oh man. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. This one looks like it's got a little piece of scripture on it or something. Believe on the Lord Jesus Christ, and thou shalt be saved. All right, let's go in this one right here first, and hopefully there's no surprises. Boards like that is exactly what rattlesnakes like to hide under, so. All right, no rattlesnakes. All right, here's our first look. Oh, smells like, ugh, like old wet socks. Ugh. Rodent droppings. Oh man, it stinks. Lighting fixture. The window, I boarded that up. Let's take a look at the crapper. All right, toilet's in not bad a shape. We got a sink, a little window to let out the smelly air after you drop a deuce. Shower. Let's see if we can find some, well, I was gonna say let's see if we can find some pieces of paper or documents, but I don't think we're gonna find any. All right, so this is, there's broken glass on the ground. This is the first one here. Like I said, it was probably just part of the RV park that's just right down here. I'll show it to you on the drone too, but nothing too outstanding in here. So we're gonna go to the next one. Man, I kind of wish monsoon season would go back into full force again. It is freaking hot out here. So here's the next one. Let's make our way along this nice little pathway here. Probably not gonna be much in here. Old cushion. Oh, hey. That looks fairly modern. I thought I saw something move. Jesus! Man, oh man. Okay. Okay. Whew. When you see movement in places like this, it scares the crap out of me. But that was a squirrel, so, I mean, I wasn't really scared. I was just trying to scare you guys. Let's keep looking. Rodent droppings, a sink. This looks almost the exact same as the other one. I'm not even gonna pull that shower curtain back because Lord knows there's something in there that's gonna jump out and bite the shit out of me. It's like there's a bird's nest up there. No documents or anything in this one. I bet once I post this on this abandoned buildings page in Arizona on Facebook, I bet you a lot of people will be able to kind of give me some more information, but let's check out the next one. All right, tally ho. I hear buzzing. I don't know if that's bees or if that's just flies infiltrating a deuce somewhere. Guess we'll find out. Oh, looks like there's some art here. Like a Native American graphics. I bet that was the theme. Well, I don't see any sinks anywhere, so they probably didn't have that type of thing going on in here. Don't know what that was. I would guess a closet, but I don't know. Maybe a fold-out bed or something. This looks more like a closet. And then here, we have our, well, you know what that is. Let's get the light out. Oh, God, something stinks. Ugh. Shower curtain doesn't look too bad. I wouldn't use it. Looks like that's pretty much going to be all that this one has to offer. Doesn't look like that there was an upstairs or crawl space up there anywhere. So we'll go to the next one. Pretty cool view. Like if you were to come out here and then just kind of wake up in the morning and just stare out at this, you get the mountains. I'm not hating the view. All right, let's see what's over here. Just another entrance to the back end. Oh my God. Bees!
Bees! Bees! ripping my flesh off!
Hopefully we can sneak past them without pissing them off. Looks like someone was having a good time. That looks like a really, really old cooler. Alright, the bees are kind of coming out, so we're going to go back up here. We'll leave them alone. Sorry, bees. Didn't mean to piss you off. Oh. Okay, this has some stuff in it. Looks like we got a couch, 4 couches. We're going to be careful, though, because those bees were kind of back on this right-hand side. We'll go clear that real quick. I think we'll be okay. Oh, hey, this one did have a sink. Looks like we had an oven. Check out that wallpaper. Let's see if we can find something with the year on it here. That doesn't look like it's tainted. Let's see. I don't want to stick my hands and stuff like that. Next thing you know, I'll get bit. Which could probably happen. Stove. There's a hat. Thumbs up for the hat. Make our way around here. So we've got a bunch of nuts and bolts here. Maybe this was the headquarters for those other housing units. Another 40. What's up with people in 40s, man? I thought people only drank 40s in like 1980s gangster movies. Ah, the fireplace. Don't see too many of those around here. Actually, wait, you do. I've been to plenty of abandoned buildings where there's a lot of fireplaces. I thought there was a light in here for 1 second, but, well, there is. It's a skylight. Man, whew, stinks back here. Patio here. Probably just another little dining area. Or maybe this is the master bedroom right here because we had the bathroom and that's the living area. It's probably more accurate. Looks like these are blueprints. Oh, there's got to be a year on here then. Or maybe not. So we got the closet. The cell phone light ain't doing too bad of a job. So we've got the crapper. Look at that lovely shower curtain. Seems a little short. This is where your lady would stare at the mirror and do her makeup and work on her foundation. It's in here. Oh my God! There's a bird, or is that a bat? I think that was a bird. Looks like this was another bedroom. Oh, they had their own bathroom here. Sneak back here. Ah, it stinks. Why does it stink? Probably just all this rotten wood and fabric. Looks like we got a few queen mattresses here. Box spring. Chair back there, or not a chair, but a frame of a couch. This is like one of those old school ones where it had like brown, yellow, and green like flowers on it, like from the 70s or 80s. All decimated by the rodents for their nests. Looks like we got a bed frame here. So if anyone needs a bed frame, yeah, there's one right there. God, it stinks. Okay. The crapper, Amir, hello. Looks like we got a tub where you scrub it up dub. Oh, Jesus, is that a bat? No, that's just a bird. Jesus. All right, well, I wanted to follow the bird. Follow the bird. Hey, buddy. You trying to get out, or are you just trying to freak me out? All right, well, Jesus. I think he's just having fun. Reminds me of Navi from Zelda.
Hello, hey, listen!
Alright, well this has been a pretty cool find. A little bit to see here and there. This place, judging by the stoves and this furniture, I'm going to say 80s or something like that. Late 80s, early 90s. That panel just has that 90s look to it. Same with this one right here. I don't know how well you can see with the light, but Just reminds me of the late 80s, early 90s. And there's that bird. Maybe it's my guardian angel or something. Actually, there's a paper. Oh, the Sun Times. Oh, wow. We got a year. Thursday, July 17th, 1997. Okay. All right, so we've pretty much explored all these buildings here. There's like a weird little stone structure over there. I'm not really sure what it was, but we're going to go down there and check that out next, I think. I might do a walk around here real quick just to make sure there's nothing else to see. All right, so that's what they look like. Maybe it was a small little chain of motel rooms, and that was the headquarters where the family lived, and they just rented these out. Not sure what this would be then. Could be a small little cafe. I've seen a lot of hotels like that, like at least back in Minnesota, where they're super small. They might have maybe a dozen or less rooms, and they have a small little cafe nearby. All right, let's see here. All right, we're going in. Is that the Bible? Is that George Washington? All right, I gotta see this. We'll take a look at the rest of this building in just a second. Or, okay, maybe just like a history book. All right, so here we have, must have been the kitchen area, stove, sink, fridge. This is oh, and there's more books here too. Yeah, they look battered and beaten, so looks like the rain got the best of them. So we're not gonna check those ones out. We're gonna go back here, maybe in there. Oh, maybe I was right. If not a restaurant, just a little food and beverage stop. Drinks, souvenirs, Indian jewelry. Looks like they had plenty of plastic cups and covers. And we got a refrigeration unit over here. Well, if it's one thing I'm sure of, they definitely sold beer here. It'd be cool to see if that works. Oh my God. There's beer still inside. Looks like we got 2 6-packs of Heineken. I don't know what's in this one. Looks like just covers, some more beverages. That is cool. They got Heineken still in there. Probably well preserved or well rotten, spoiled. More items back here. Coffee. Maybe this was seasonings. More condiments. I really want to take that sign, but I bet it doesn't even work. Alright, so that does it for this one. I was expecting this one to be all cleared out, nothing left behind. But that wasn't the case. So, I'm not opening the fridge, that's a bad move. Corona! Well, 'tis the season. I don't want to go in there too far if that's not going to open. It's like they had a back door there to the outside, which is kind of weird for the bathroom. But I'm not knocking it. So we have the crapper in there. And that was probably just the kitchen table. Unless that was the kitchen table. Who really knows? Alright, let's go. Whew. I don't think anybody's going to mind if we come over here and just take a quick peek. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Coke bottle. San Diego, California. Sunday, January 25th, 1998. Wow. And there's more Coke bottles. Ooh, electronics. Looks like we got a scale. I probably sold meat here. What do we got? E is for exercise. Everyone should exercise. Coke bottles. Bunch of ladies' slippers. That's odd. My money says it was definitely a small little motel and you had a little restaurant or a little general store right there, and this was probably just additional supplies and signs and utilities for the motel. Wonder if these have anything on them. Oh, that is so old. 1997. Wow. So we're gonna check out this building right here. Looks like we got mattresses. It looks like just a bunch of mattresses. Is it really abandoned if there's not a bunch of just random tires sitting all over the place? Yeah, this definitely had to be a hotel. Look at all these mattresses. It's like we got twins, queens, maybe kings. A little bit earthang. All right, let's go check out that building right there. Just another hot ass day in southern Arizona. Buddy, I tell you, it's steaming. It is hotter than a spoon in Demi Lovato's house. So the way this is designed with all these stones here, it kind of looks like the similar build style of the zoo up in Two Guns, Arizona, east of Flagstaff. And that was built in the early 1900s, 1920s, I want to say. So I'm going to assume, and this is a big assumption, that maybe this one was built around the early 1900s, 1920s. Let's go in. Ooh, feels good to be out of the sun. Some eroding graffiti. Looks like some girl left her Daisy Dukes there. Oh, it is a lot cooler in here though. All you need is love. Love is all you need. Let's see what we got back here. And there's more foundation, but it doesn't lead to anything. Is that pot? Just kidding. This is like Blair Witch. You see all those like random handprints on the walls?
Going upstairs?
You got a few more over here. Oh. Thumbs up for Nick and Angeli. I could see this place being like a bar, you know, a small selection. You'd ride up on your horse here, you dismount and go inside and have maybe a Jack Daniels or a nice refreshing beer. Or not. If you guys know what this building was used for, definitely let me know in the comment section down below.